The Berlinetta Boxer was a great car, which you couldn't put a toothbrush in. Their established clientele basically had to have something that was mid-engined that they could use, hence Testarossa. The radiators went from the front in the Boxer to the side.
So they don't cook you with all the heat coming through the cabin.
In the late 60s, when the 3-litre Formula One rules came out, they realised that the only way forward was a new engine, and they decided to use 180-degree V12. But to package it, they had to basically have the clutch housing at the rear, drop gears, a bit like the Dino. The drop gears went into basically the lay shaft of the gearbox, which cradled the crankcase.
The whole point of a flat 12 engine is to get it low in the chassis, so your centre of gravity is really low. This thing is sitting up like over the top of the wheel.
But then having said that, the weight of the gearbox, it's not an insignificant lump of
but then you've got all this other lump which is above the gearbox.
Well, yeah, but don't tell me it doesn't work.
It works.
It works.
It works. The car goes forward.